Hey, what's going on guys? Eric here from Eric and Myles, and today I'm going to be talking about whether the DJI Spark is worth it in 2020. So the DJI Spark came out in, I think, early 2017. I can't really remember. I got it about winter 2018. So I've had this for about over a year. I'm going to sell it. It might be sold by the time I release this video, but let's get into the specs. So the DJI Spark has a battery life of about, I've experienced about 15 to 20 minutes depending on the wind and the conditions that you're flying in. It shoots only 1080p and it only shoots 30 frames per second. You can shoot manual, you can shoot manual video and manual photos. The photos are 10 megapixel JPEG, only JPEG, no RAW, and the videos are 1080p, 30 frames, nothing else, no 25, no 24, nothing. You can change the shutter speed and all that, but the aperture is fixed, so you can manage everything manually in both video and photo. The gimbal is only 2 axis, so it can only go up and down and horizontally. It cannot go yaw, so when you're turning, you're gonna just get sharp turns. You won't ease into those turns like every other 3-axis gimbal, so that is a downside. Like I said, the battery is 15 to 20 minutes, which is terrible for drones nowadays, so I ended up having to buy 2. It does have sensors on the bottom of the drone and the front, which work amazing. Those have kept me from crashing multiple times. So yeah, that is pretty much the overview. The controller is really nice. It can go up to a mile range. So yeah, that is the specs. Is it worth it in 2020? No, I don't believe it is. DJI just announced their Mavic Mini, which is just about the same price as this, but a million times better. You can change the shutter speeds of your 1080p. It goes up to 2.7K and it shoots 24 frames. The battery life on that is 30 minutes each battery, twice as good as this, and it can go up to 4 kilometers away, which it translates to about 2.5 miles. It is smaller. You can fold it up and make it smaller. So that is just, everything is better about that. And that is why I'm selling this, to get that. So yeah, I think this is the first video I've ever made about something I don't think is worth it. Because usually I don't buy things that aren't worth it, but I'm getting rid of this. So no, this is not worth it in 2020. If you're gonna buy a drone for a beginner, buy the Mavic Mini. That's it. I hope you guys liked this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Consider sharing with a friend if you thought it was helpful or cool. And I'll see you next time.
At a Clippers game on the court side. Watch a nigga shoot like a 4-5. They mad at me too, I got more fire. Why these bitches see you? Go home, ride. Go